Hello guys, I hope you are all doing great. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a new product in your WordPress website using divi theme. Are you ready? Let's get started. Go to your dashboard and here we have product, as you can see here, and click on add new. Okay, click on add new. Here you should type the name of your product. For example, I'm going to type t-shirt, t-shirt. Okay, and here you can put the description. I'm not gonna add any description, and here you should put the regular price, for example 12, and the sell price 11, and on the right side you can add image, as you can see here, product image, set product image. Click on set product image, choose image. For example, I'm going to add this product, or yes, this product. Okay, and click on set product image, as you can see, and now you should publish it, as you can see here, publish. Okay, I successfully added new product. So if you want to view the product, click on here, view product. See, t-shirt, and yeah, that's how you can add a new product in divi theme using WordPress. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out with them. See you in the next video.